Hey guys, I have a 1996 Ford Ranger. It's a 2.3 liter, and my problem is that the motor stalled, or I was on the freeway and it stopped on me. It was making this loud noise. I thought it was my AC compressor, but for example, see how this spins nice and smooth? Well, the pulley for the steering wheel pump, power steering, didn't move like this. So as the belt is connected, it caused the motor to shut down, basically. So there's the new pump. You buy this kit at AutoZone. It's a pulley pullers. It's $40, because you have to buy some power steering fluid. And this tool is pretty badass. And you see, I'm gonna get another update, but I'll see if I can do it for you guys, just so you can see. Well, basically, with my right hand, I'm holding the big wrench. My left hand is the other one. So basically, you hold this one, so it's like this. See? These pieces grab onto the pulley and something like this. This is what you're gonna hold. This is the base. See? This is what you're gonna tighten. This part. I think it's like 5/8 or something. It's just a regular ratchet. 5/8. I just put this to get some torque power. But once I remove it, I'll put another update.